Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher of Mount Itra Z School Jhansi. Students, today we are going to study English grammar from a new enjoying grammar. So let us take a quick recap of the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tenses. Children, if you remember, I have already posted the video of present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses. So here we'll take a quick recap. Present perfect tense, I, you, we, they have moved to Kanpur, or he or she has moved. Simple terms you have has and have for present perfect tense. Now this is the positive form. Negative form would be have not या फिर has not. Yes. And question form has and have. Yes. Moved. They moved to Kanpur. That is has or have. Then the subject, then the verb, and then your rest of the sentence. Where is it used? Functions. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action in an unspecified time in the past, as in sentence 1. See sentence 1. The team has won the match. Now the time has not been prescribed here. Okay? In this case, we often use the words already, yet, ever, or never along with present perfect tense. Second function, to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing, as in sentence 2 and 3. Like 2 and 3, I have not eaten anything for 10 hours. Yes, it is describing the action that had began in the past and it is continuing. Okay. And third, Sohan has not attended school since last Friday. So it has began in the past and it is still continuing. Third function, to talk about actions that have taken place very recently, as in sentence 4. Like Renu has just left for the library. So it's describing the very moment. Okay. In this case, we use the words like just. Next. Now exercise 1 he is given. This I'll be providing you in the PDF to be written in the notes copy. Okay. Come to exercise number 2. We'll discuss this exercise. He says make sentences using present perfect tense and the words given as clues. You can begin like this. Like he has already given you. Miss Woods leaves school. Miss Woods has left school. Twins lose dog. Twins have lost the dog. Then next, Jayashree migrate Canada with her parents. Jayashree has migrated to Canada with her parents. Next, Prithvi go duty for the holidays. Prithvi has gone to Ooty for the holidays. Next, Rohit rejoined school. Rohit has rejoined the school. We pass exams and go next class. We have passed the exams and gone to the next class. Next, he has given you a conversation which is to be completed with present perfect tense. So, like Rita, have you traveled a lot, Sirish? Sirish, yes, I have been to 4 countries. Gaurav, have you ever been to Sri Lanka? Sirish, no, I have never been to Sri Lanka. Ritesh, have you been to many places in India? Sirish, yes, I have been to many places in India. Anu, dash any book of the Harry Potter series? It's a question mark. So, have you read any book of the Harry Potter series? Sirish, yes, I have read it. Pooja, how many times have you read it? Sirish, I have read it many times. Okay. Next we have Present perfect continuous. He says, like he has given you certain examples. My father is very tired. He has been driving all day and needs to rest. My grandmother has been coughing badly the past few days and needs to go to the doctor. I have been studying very hard for the entrance test. The residents of our society have been complaining about the dim street lights in the locality for many months. So you can see in these sentences what is common or what is specific. For present perfect continuous, it has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb, right? You can look up the video so as to recall. So now he has given you all the three types of positive, negative and the question forms of the sentences. Come to the functions. Functions, the present perfect continuous is used for an action or situation which began in the past and continues up to the point of speaking. The action may not be complete at this point. So it has begun in the past, it is in continuation, but it is not at all necessary that at the point it is complete. Like, I have been trying very hard to solve this problem for the past 2 hours. So it is not saying that the action is complete, that at this very moment she has stopped solving the problem. Next, I have tried very hard to solve this problem. I think I will ask my mother for help now. Okay? Next, second, to refer to a series of repeated actions or situations that began in the past and has continued up to the present. Like, for the past 2 months, my parents have been discussing the final arrangements for my sister's wedding. So these are series of repeated actions, yes, which have begun in the past and they are still in continuation in the present. Like another example, my parents have discussed the final arrangements for my sister's wedding. Now here the action is complete, but here the action is not complete. Third, to refer to an action that is temporary in nature and lasts for short duration of time. Yes, like the present perfect tense on the other hand refers to an action that is more permanent in nature and lasts for a longer duration of time. I have been playing tennis every evening since the holidays began, and I have played tennis every evening for the past 2 years. So now we'll discuss exercise number 4. Complete the sentence with the correct forms of the verbs in the brackets. Yes? Like the first one has already been done for you. I have been working on a book for the past 6 months. I dash about 40 pages. So I have written about 40 pages. Next, Anuj, your hands are dirty. Ahana, yes, I have been gardening all morning. Next, the municipal corporation dashed the problem of flooding in the city for the last 2 months and just dash its recommendations. So have been studying and has submitted. I dash a break for the last 2 years. I have not taken. Next, the ground is very wet. It has been raining. I dash to get in touch with them all day. I have been trying. Next, the singers live here. They dash here since 1960. They have been living. Next, there is glass everywhere. Someone dashed the window. Someone has broken. Next, my family is migrating to Germany. So I dash German for the last 2 months. That is, have been learning. Next, we dash all the monuments in Jaipur for our project. We have visited. Next, exercise 5, he says to write the sentences in negative forms. First one has already been done. Come to the second. The internet connection did not work properly on most days this week. So we need to use the clues which are given in the brackets. So the answer will be, recently the internet connection has not been working. Next, the last time I met my friend was 2 weeks ago. So I have not met my friend for the last 2 weeks. Next, I did not feel well most of last week. Answer, I have not been feeling well of late. Then, Sonal was scolded for coming in late to school and not doing her work. So the answer would be, Sonal has been scolded for not coming on time and doing her work. The last time I went on holiday was 5 years ago. So I have not been on a holiday for 5 years. Okay? Now exercise number 6 also you'll be doing in your notes copy. It will be sent in the PDF. Okay? Thank you.